Hi, how did you find the math exam yesterday?
Oh, it was challenging. I had a tough time with some of the questions. How about you?
I agree, it was pretty tough. I struggled with the geometry section.
Yeah, geometry was tricky. I also found the algebra problems a bit confusing.
True, algebra was no walk in the park either. Did you manage to finish the whole paper?
No, I didn't. I ran out of time and couldn't attempt the last 2 questions. How about you?
I barely finished in time, but I did attempt all the questions. I hope I didn't make too many mistakes.
Lucky you. I'm worried I might have made some calculation errors.
Don't stress too much. I'm sure we both did better than we think. Did you study with anyone for this exam?
Yeah, I studied with Sarah. She explained a few concepts that were confusing.
That's nice. I should have studied with someone too. Maybe it would have helped.
It's never too late to start studying with a partner next time. Anyway, let's hope for the best when we get our scores.